So this video is sponsored by Pionex, one of the exchanges I use all the time. It's one of the main crypto brokers to Binance, so the volume is very high. The main thing that sets them apart though is that you can use free trading bots, a variety all designed to benefit from different market behaviors, whether that's up, down or sideways. You'll get 20% off all your trading fees for life with my link in the description. And if you join the Telegram, a lot of us already use it, so if you've got questions we can try and help you out. Hello everybody, welcome back. So we're going to do an update on the XRP video from yesterday. But before I start, I just want to say that there's a scam been going on in my name, and I don't run a signals group, right? There's no such thing as crypto click signals. I don't do that. I've got a Telegram chat, I've got a Patreon, and all the links for anything that I do are in the description of the video. And yeah, if you want to join the Patreon, then there is an exchange of money. It's real money. It's not crypto. I don't take crypto for payment. Crypto payments are for scammers, basically, and that's not me. So if you are in that group, please report it. There is a crypto click chat, and there is a Patreon, but there is no signals group, and there's no private circle, and I would not be charging people thousands of pounds to join it. So just be very careful, alright? Any link in the description is valid. Anything else is not valid, and it's a scammer. So just be careful of that. Anyway, let's get back onto XRP. So what we're doing here is we've finally broken out of this descending wedge, which is good. This is a bullish formation. We're out of that now. We're also above this area which I've just put in today, which is $1.16. If we can stay above here, it's very, very bullish. It can be used as a launch pad and move to those targeted areas, you know, which could even be the all-time high, a new all-time high. I know it sounds, you know, stupid, and I'm not suggesting that it definitely will do that, but it could, and that's why I mention it. And what we're waiting for now, I would say, would be one of two things, or both preferably, which would be first a bullish retest of the $1.16 zone. So that previously being resistance would now be a support. That would be good to see that happen. And also, the conversion baseline crossing here with the Chiku span closing above the cloud, that could happen, you know, today. So that confirmation of that signal could happen by tomorrow. But we'd have to be closing at a relatively high area, about $1.19. So we'd have to close above that to get that signal straight away. But over the coming days, as this green cloud dissipates and goes all the way down to $1.06. It's likely to be confirmed around those levels. And so long as the price is above the cloud as well, which again is about $1.13, we'll call it $1.14 to be safe. So we are looking like we do want to get that signal. So ideally, you know, the best thing for XRP to do now would be have a bullish retest of about $1.16 over the next few days. Get the signal we're looking for, which should be a green portion here, cross, conversion baseline cross. Price and Chiku span above the cloud, and then that's not a continuation of trend signal, but that's like a large big pump signal. Basically, we'll be looking for a big move. And in XRP's history, that's how it generally moves. It moves all in one go. So nice big massive move up over a 2-week period, back down again. Nice big massive move up over a 2-week period, back down again. Nice big massive move up over a 2-week period, back down again. So we might be looking at one of those. And also, if we think about what we're looking at here, we've had two of these in the past. We've had a mountain and a molehill, and a mountain and a molehill. So we could be looking, if then again, this isn't anything to just go by on its own, but I'm just weighing it all up, you know, balancing it all out. We could be looking at another mountain and a molehill, and if that is the case, then, you know, I'm not going to be doing fractals for you here, but it does look relatively good that we have a big move up and a small one, an even bigger move up and a small one. So we would be looking for an even bigger move up and a smaller one. So that could take us up to the all-time high or thereabouts. Anyway, I'm not here to say that this is the absolute price target of where we are definitely going to go to the penny. All I'm looking at for is, are we going to move? And if we are, then we can maintain an element of caution on the way up. Maybe sell some on the way up. If you're doing futures trades, certainly look to lock in some profits. But generally speaking, I'm all for this working out relatively soon in standard XRP fashion, which should be a big move up and then a longer drawn out period of a move down. Love it or hate it, XRP generally does perform quite well when it wants to. People don't understand it most of the time, and that's why it gets such bad press, and social media decide to descend on XRP. Oh, XRP is so crap. It's so funny to see these sort of things, because to be honest with you, like in any kind of traditional market, right, if you can find a chart which has rhyme and reason to it, you know, if there's a formula to the way it works, does it respect the way that it reacts to moving averages and other signal indicators, then that's a great chart to trade. I know most people look at things and want things to do thousands and thousands of %, and that's good as well. And to be honest with you, crypto is one of those asset classes which is basically just like anyone can make money in it most of the time. Most of the time, within a good area of time. Anyway, you could pretty much have bought anything in 2019, and you'd be okay right now. So yeah, I get it, but and it's an underperformer. But from a chart perspective, it's usually pretty good, and I do like what I see right now, and this is why I like XRP. I'm not saying it's going to take over the world. I'm not a moon boy, but it's a good chart to trade, and it's one of the reasons why I bring it onto the channel all the time. And if you're looking to learn to trade, then I would look at XRP. Because it does, as messy as it is, there's a lot of rhythm within this chart. And if you're looking to, like I say, get your head around TA, Bitcoin's a good one. XRP is also a good one. They're both different to each other, and it might help you sort of gain some skills. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the live stream tonight for Patreon members. Take it easy.